Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create SVGs so that you can sell it later with Etsy or eBay or some other digital platform. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to create a design. I'm going to press this create button from Canva homepage after logging, and it will bring this type of window. From here I'm going to choose custom size, but you can choose any other template size also, but I am showing you custom size. Now let's see, we want to create a SVG image like 200 by 200 pixels. So I'm going to type 200 and 200, which is height and weight, and then the unit is pixel, and then I'm going to press this create new design, this button. I'm going to click here, and very shortly the 200 by 200 graphics template or like custom size template, it will be created. Now we need to add our design. For example, we want to add a text, like for example I'm going to choose add a text like FewSteps, and also this is some sample text, and then I'm also going to add some like picture, like FewSteps, some sample image I will add. So in the graphics there are many images there, so I'm going to choose this image for example, and now I'm going to change the position. Now this is our graphics or design which we completed. Now it's time to create the SVGs so that we can sell it later or we can use it for some other purposes. So to do this thing, at first we need to click this share button. I'm going to click here, and then it will bring this type of menus. So from here we have to choose downloads or download. I'm going to click here, and then it will bring like this window. From the file type we have to choose SVG. I'm going to choose SVG, and then finally we have to check this box. By clicking, it will be checked, transparent background, and then finally we need to press the download button, and very shortly Canva will prompt us to download it. And here showing us to type a name. I'm going to type as like FewSteps, that is fine, and it will be saved in downloads folder. Then finally I'm going to press the save button to start saving, and finally it will be saved. If we go to downloads folder, we'll see that the SVG has been downloaded. Now you can use this image SVG file to sell some other digital platform, or this is your SVG image, you can say. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily create SVG using Canva. Thank you guys for watching the video.